the Oxtran Model 222 as a fully automatic testing system that's easy to use. It's significantly faster than any other oxygen permeation instrument, provides improved accuracy and repeatability, and it has a lower cost of ownership. Fully automated means that in addition to automatic test mode, the instrument will automatically control and maintain the set relative humidity of both the test and carrier gases. It will also control line pressure, gas flow, and temperature while saving, exporting, and printing test results. The touchscreen is where operators will spend most of their time. Here is where they start tests and view their status. On the left, you'll see gas pressure, barometer pressure, and test gas RH. On the right is carrier gas pressure, temperature, and carrier gas RH. These menus allow the operator to advance or abort the test, view test details, export, and create a report. In the middle, you'll see a graph displaying the OTR readings. In addition to the touchscreen, the optional PermNet Lite software allows an operator to view and operate the instrument on their own computer as if they were standing at the instrument. The Oxtran Model 222H offers a range of test modes. To start the fully automatic test mode, press Test. This mode is simple to use and is easy for a new user or for a protocol that does not need the advanced settings. Automatic mode also enables you to test film accurately when you don't know the film profile. Advanced testing mode is designed for those with more knowledge of permeation testing and allows for more flexibility. Advanced testing requires the operator to enter all test parameters. The Quick Start Go button enables you to use the same conditions to test different samples of the same film or test different films using the same conditions. You start a repeat test simply by placing a sample into the cell drawer. Press the Go button, enter a new test ID, and start the test. Sequential testing means you can, with one setup, get a complete film profile by testing up to 10 different relative humidity and temperature parameters on a single film. This is a huge time saver over setting up each new test. Turn Sequential Test on, then select it. Now you can enter your test parameters and add additional sequential tests. Those labs which move between wet and dry testing will appreciate that they can select dry testing simply by selecting 0 humidity in the test setup. Here for test gas RH, and here for carrier gas RH. No more emptying the water reservoir, no more wasted gas drying the system. Imagine the time savings. Your operator can now receive automatic emails when a test has been completed or if there has been a test error. You'll always know when a test is completed, no matter where you are. By clicking on the Reports menu, you'll be able to create a number of reports, including test reports which contain test ID, material ID, OTR rate, and you'll have the ability to add comments. Test results can always be accessed via the History menu. An improved Coolox coulometric sensor with faster response time has been developed for the Oxtran 222. This is an absolute sensor that measures every molecule that permeates through the film, a reason why MOCON instruments are the only instruments that conform with ASTM D-3985. Because it is an absolute sensor, no calibration is needed. The sensor is protected from oxygen over range, and built-in safeties will automatically recover it should oversaturation occur. We have added almost 4 times the amount of water that can be carried in the reservoir. Adding water is simple. Just lift the cover and inject water through this Luer lock fitting. For transportation, all water is easily removed through this one port. One time-saving feature of the system is that it will display a warning on the touchscreen if you should set up a test with insufficient water in the reservoir. You can run RH testing over a weekend, confident that sufficient water will be available. The 2 horizontal cell drawers slide out at the touch of a button and allow you to remove the cell for easy placement of the film while the cell is on the bench. The cells clamp pneumatically at the touch of a button eliminating any chance of repetitive strain injuries and ensuring a consistent clamping pressure every time. We have added a cell clamped indicator so you'll know the cell is properly closed. To load a sample, remove the cell and place it on the bench. Open the cell and apply grease to the silver-colored top section, making sure no grease enters the flow ring groove. Place a pre-cut film on top of the greased section. Join the two halves of the cell and place into the instrument. Then clamp. Of course, we've installed MOCON's patented True Seal flush ring test cells. Their function is to remove any ambient air entering the cell between the film and the cell. The impact of this technology is to lower the instrument's baseline, effectively increasing repeatability 2.5 times. In addition, users may be able to eliminate the need to establish an individual zero, a pre-test function that typically doubles the total testing time. Optional package testing cell adapters are available. These are placed in the drawers in place of the film test cells. You will be able to plumb these adapters directly to your package while they are on the bench, then place them in the drawers. Purchase any number of package adapters and prepare additional packages in advance for testing. To speed up package testing, we have a high purge cycle, which quickly purges the package of residual oxygen so the test can start much faster. As an example, a 3-liter package should be ready to test in 12 minutes compared to several hours. Up to 100 tests will automatically be saved to the onboard hard drive. You can access these via the History menu, where you can sort, select, delete, and export. Just one part of the reduction in cost of ownership is the built-in circuit board protects against a current surge. Additional reduction in cost of operation will be gained via gas saver. When the instrument is in idle mode, the amount of gas flowing through the system is reduced by half, resulting in a substantial gas cost saving. In addition to the touchscreen, you'll be able to connect a keyboard and mouse via the USB port should you prefer that style of access. Ethernet-ready capabilities enable you to connect this instrument to your corporate network and use the optional PermNet Lite software. An operator can view and operate the instrument from any computer on the network exactly the same way as if they were standing at the instrument.